everybody! I was feeling like doing something fun today, so I did this little alien kind of half-face thingy. This isn't my original idea, I got it off Pinterest, so don't think I'm super creative or anything. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching.
Okay, so the first thing I do is glue my eyebrows. So I'm just gluing the part that is like right in the middle, not the end or the front. Okay, after that I use this little brush and I brush the eyebrow hair up towards my hairline and kind of press it in. And I glue and brush 3 times. And then I use this powder and I just set everything in place. Alright, then I use this e.l.f. color correcting concealer palette thing, and I use the orange shade, and I just brush that all over my eyebrows. And then I just use that same powder and powder it again. Okay, then I use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and just cover the entire thing. And then, surprise, I powder it again. Whoa, I'm back. Now I'm taking a nude eyeliner pencil and sketching out the lines for the alien face. Okay, then I'm taking a little tiny brush and my Mehron makeup face paint palette. I don't know why I look like an absolute psychopath in this shot, but I'm taking that green shade and just sketching out that line. Okay, then I'm taking the black shade in the same palette and drawing the eyeball. And then my wonderful mother brought me a drink. Thanks, Mom. Taking a small packing brush, I'm going to take the black in my James Charles palette and just set that paint. Then I use my black e.l.f. eyeliner and just fill in my waterline. Then I take the white from that same face paint palette on a face painting brush and I fill in that green square that I drew on my face. Okay, then I grab the light green from the James Charles palette and I take that on another packing brush and just cover the white. Alright, then I take a super tiny brush and that same black from the face paint palette and I just outline one side of the box that I drew just to give it some dimension. After that, I start drawing the details of the alien face and like the mouth and stuff. Then I take this Clara eyeshadow palette and I use the light blue shade in it to add some shading. I also use this kind of tapered fluffy brush. Okay, then I grab a smaller brush in that same color and just add some more depth. Then I blend that whole thing out with a fluffy brush. Okay, then I grab a small packing brush and use the black from the James Charles palette to add the mouth. Then I just use that same fluffy brush and blend it out. Then I use that same white face paint to add teeth. Okay, then I used that same white face paint again, and I outlined the other side of the box I drew for the face so that it kind of contrasts the black. Then I take a generic pencil brush and I just use the white from the James Charles palette and go over the teeth. Okay, then I use my e.l.f. Putty eyeshadow primer to start on the eyes. After that, I took a fluffy brush and that same light green from the James Charles palette and put that through my crease. Then I took the dark green from the Juvia's Tribe palette and put that on my outer corner. I also used a smaller brush for this. Then I blended out that dark green with the light green I used before, and I used that same fluffy brush for that. Then I grabbed a small tapered brush and took the black from the James Charles palette and put that in the outer corner. Then I took that dark green shade again and blended out the black with that. Then I went back in with the light green on the fluffy brush again to blend both of those colors out. And then to blend out the entire thing, I took the neon green shade from the Juvia's palette and just ran that over everything. Then I took my NYX glitter primer on like a small flat brush and put that over my lid to cut the crease. Then I took the lightest shimmer shade in the Tribe palette and put that on the front portion of my lid. And then I took the bronze shade from that same palette and put it on the rest of my lid and then kind of blended them together. Then I took my Alter Ego Goddess palette and took the shade Cassandra at the bottom and put it on my lower lash line. I also did the same eye look on the other side and used the Tarte Maneater mascara. For my lips, I used a black lipstick from Rimmel, and for my waterline, I used a black e.l.f. eyeliner pencil. And this is the finished look. I hope you like it.